Good morning, class. This is Reshmi Das. I am your new science teacher. We are learn chapter 7, life process. Life process, nutrition, transportation, respiration, and excretion. So, firstly, we are know about the what is life. The earth is happen to be only knows the planet having life. Life process maintenance of living organism is essential even they are the moving, resting, or even sleeping. Nutrition, respiration, circulation, excretion are the example of essential of life process. What is nutrition? Nutrition, the process of acquiring food that is needed for nourishment and substances of the organism called nutrition. Nutrition are divided into two parts. First is autotrophic nutrition and second is a heterotropic nutrition. If an organism can nourish itself by making its food own by using the sunlight, chemicals such as the mode of nutrition is called as autotrophic nutrition, and the second half is the heterotropic nutrition. That means they are depend another living organism for nutrition by or food. In this chapter we are learn about the digestive system in human or nutrition or in human. Digestion or nutrition in human are divided into two parts. First is alimentary canal and second half is digestive glands. First half is the what is digestion. Digestion is a biochemical reaction by which complex substances present in if or dissociate into a simple substance by a chemical reaction. In alimentary canal we are learn about the mouth, teeth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, etc. Firstly, what is the work of mouth? It is the opening of the alimentary canal. It has ingest of food. The buccal cavity is the present behind the mouth is commonly refused as mouth. What is the work of teeth? Teeth are the hard structure present in the buccal cavity. They help us to cut, shear, and masticate the food we eat. Teeth are mainly various type of teeth are present. For help to digest or cut the food. Second half is esophagus. The solid food passes into the esophagus and the stomach. The stomach is a thick walled bag like a structure. What is a small intestine? The small intestine is a largest part of alimentary canal, about the 20 feet long in human. It is a region duodenum, the region which is the following stomach, gymnus in the middle part, and the ileum is the latter region which continues the further into the large intestine. And next is large intestine. Large intestine in a human is about 5 feet long. It has have a region. It has two regions, colon and rectum. Colon has three regions as ascending color, while the last part of called rectum. The